Understanding Public Wi-Fi, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term public Wi-Fi. Whether you're in a cafe, airport, or library, understanding this concept is key to navigating the digital world. Let's dive in. Public Wi-Fi refers to a wireless internet connection that is available in public places for free or for a fee. Unlike private Wi-Fi, which is secured and restricted to specific users, public Wi-Fi is open to anyone within its range. Places like coffee shops, hotels, and public libraries often provide this service. Public Wi-Fi is incredibly useful for staying connected on the go. It allows you to access the internet without using your mobile data. This is especially handy for travelers or those without a stable internet connection at home. You can check emails, browse social media, or even work remotely using public Wi-Fi. While public Wi-Fi is convenient, it also comes with risks. The lack of security can make you vulnerable to cyber threats. To stay safe, avoid accessing sensitive information, like bank accounts, on public Wi-Fi. Using a VPN, virtual private network, is also a good practice to secure your data. When using public Wi-Fi, remember to follow certain etiquettes. Don't overuse the bandwidth by downloading large files or streaming high-definition videos. Also, be aware of time limits or usage policies set by the provider. And that wraps up our discussion on public Wi-Fi. Remember, while it's a fantastic resource for internet access, always be mindful of security and etiquette. We hope this video helps you understand and use public Wi-Fi more confidently. Happy surfing, and see you in our next video.